lot of business owners find it very hard to know how to choose the best electronic point of sale for their business. And so when I speak to them, I have a list of things that they need to consider. And the first one is to be super clear about their requirements, to write everything down in a level of detail that may seem instinctive or intuitive to them, but when talking to IT and solution providers, it isn't instinctive because they're not retailers or restaurateurs, they're technology providers. So you understand your business so well, they don't. And that's why you have to articulate everything down to the nth degree. Now, that can be challenging for some people if they haven't got that kind of if this, then that type of thinking. And so they may need to get some outside help to help them articulate the requirements so that when they get the end solution, it does actually do what they want. A third party can also help you not only define the requirements, but go to the market and explore what the available options are that meet your budget, your timeframes, and your goals, and they can help you seek references from other happy customers so that you can rest assured that this is a provider that can deliver and that you can work with. The best part about working with somebody who's dealt with technical projects before is they can translate. And what I mean by that is they can turn your business speak into the IT techie speak. For example, you want something that tells you what your customers spend, when and how. But they want a single system that captures receipt level data with customer identity, product record, and price. And now they're not the same words at all, but of course, they're the kind of words that an IT person needs to hear to know how to develop the report. And that's what I mean by when I say you need someone who can translate. But above all else, relationships are often more important than capability. A lot of systems do more or less the same thing. Some have some bells and whistles that others don't. But along with price, it's the relationship with the person that you're going to have to work with the help desk you might need to call, and of course, with all of the other representatives of your chosen supplier that you engage with that really matters. Because working well together means good communications. And systems implementations don't have to be tricky, as long as you have good lines of communication.